shit. When no one's hitting on my line, I've been waiting for this all day.
I'm gonna be doing another what I eat in a week. Who knows what I'm gonna eat this week, but today I'm gonna make some Kapoon. It's a Hmong dish. Actually, it's not a Hmong dish. It's a Lao Thai dish, I think. Actually, it might be Lao, I'm not sure. But Hmong people love to eat it. I love to eat it. And I have a whole bunch of leftover rotisserie chicken, so I'm gonna make some Kapoon so that I don't waste any of the chicken. Anyways, I just filmed a makeup tutorial thing, so my apartment's looking kind of rough. I'm gonna go to the grocery store really quickly and just buy stuff, and I'm not making fancy Kapoon. Yeah, she half naked right now. I'm too lazy to change, so this is what I'm wearing, and yeah, if I go fast then less people will see me. Anyways, these are not my shorts, these are Sam's shorts, and I need to give it back, but they're so comfy. This top is from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm wearing these sunnies. These sunnies are actually from Target if I remember correctly, and then I have my purse from Princess Polly. So yeah, let's go buy some groceries and make some food. I didn't film much of me grocery shopping because I ended up having to go to 2 grocery stores because the first one didn't even have the right noodles. So yeah, let's get cooking because I am so hungry right now. I have not eaten anything and it's already almost like 4 or 5. My diet low-key has been like really bad recently. I've been eating out so much because I've been going out so much. Today we are making a home-cooked meal. It's gonna be delicious. Coconut juice, we love it.
Okay, so making Kapoon is actually super easy, and of course everyone makes it their own way. This is just the way I decided to do it today. But first, mince up some garlic, dice up your red onions. Then I'm just gonna be shredding up some chicken from my rotisserie chicken. Some people do it differently where they boil the chicken and they use that chicken instead, which I think that tastes amazing. But I really wanted to use my leftover chicken. Then you want to saute the garlic and onion in some oil. Then you want to add the red curry. I had 2 cans, but this day I lost one of them, so I could only use one, but it still tasted really good. Now I'm gonna add just a cup of water, and then I'm gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. I personally don't like too much coconut in my Kapoon, so I only do 1 can, but I know a lot of people who love the coconut milk. I like it a little more light, so I only added 1. Then you wanna just mix it, and then add in a little bit of basil. This is the point where you can add in like your herbs, but I only had basil, so that's all I used. Oh my god, I feel like I talk with an accent. And then I'm gonna add as much water as I want. I did like a big old bowl of water. Yeah, she's coming together. Anyways, now I'm gonna be shredding up some bamboo. These are so freaking good in Kapoon. And also I love putting quail eggs in my Kapoon, but the grocery store literally ran out. I'm so sad. Now I'm gonna be cutting up my garnishes. Is that what they're called? So I'm cutting up some green onions, green cilantro, jalapeno, cabbage. I use the green cabbage and the purple cabbage. I literally can't tell the difference in taste, but it's kind of one of those things where I just grew up doing. So I usually grab the 2 colors and mix it, and delicioso. They taste the exact same to me though, but I still do this. Now I'm gonna add some chicken bouillon, or basically like chicken powder. This stuff's so good. This is what makes Kapoon taste immaculate in my opinion. And then you wanna add in some soy sauce, some fish sauce, and some sugar. I personally like a lot of fish sauce, as y'all know. And then you want to just make your noodles. After making my noodles, I section them off on a plate. I literally suck at this so bad, but today I low-key did kind of good. This just makes it easier for people to grab the noodles. And then you want to just serve it, so grab your noodles, put it in a bowl, put in the soup, add your garnishes, and voila, beautiful. And then I like to eat it with some green chili pepper and some shrimp paste. This entire combo, the Kapoon, the peppers, shrimp paste, so good guys.
I freaking lost my 2nd can of red curry, but it turned out still super delicious. And I love to eat it with chili and a little bit of shrimp paste. I love my food spicy. Anyways, let's eat. Wow, I'm a freaking cook. That is like so freaking good. You guys know I love fish sauce. I love shrimp paste because it's very fishy. Believe it or not, I be craving shrimp paste. Like sometimes I just think about it and I'm like, that would be so good right now. Obviously not by itself, but like with something. These peppers are not that spicy. I can like eat it with this and I don't feel like I'm like dying. So it's a few hours later and I'm craving something sweet. So we're gonna have one of my favorite ice creams, which is the strawberry ice cream by Haagen-Dazs. So delicious, and I guarantee you guys that you guys just mix this with a little bit of milk and just put it in a little blender. It makes the most delicious strawberry milkshake. Delicious. Say hi, good morning.
I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy instead. You take up all the energy.
Hey guys, so Tris is getting me and Jules some ice cream.
And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it.
Good morning. So today I'm gonna go to the gym. Before I head to the gym, I'm just gonna eat some peaches. I cut these last night. They're super ripe. Some of it's brown, but still really good. I never do buns. Today's a weird day. I didn't do that good. Like, look at this little bump, but it's okay. It's giving model off duty. And I love it. We love a crusty dog. She's so big now. You're almost as big as me. My makeup looks so good today. No lashes. She said we're giving natural. We're giving glow. Oh my god, I look so good. Hello guys, I'm at my parents' house and we're gonna make some pho. Look at Anthony. You're such a good Hmong daughter. Yeah, put your wrist into it. What up? So they got me on veggies duty, so I'm gonna clean the veggies and cut them and stuff. Hi guys, so I'm at a picnic with my family. Hey, Anthony, Jackson. Look at each other. Let me show you guys what we're eating today.
You're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me.
What's up? Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Hello.
Souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's
Hey, look, y'all wanna hear a freestyle? Hit 'em and send 'em, rise 'em and get 'em in 'em in 'em.
This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around.
Hi you guys, so it is the next day. I did my makeup differently. Today me and Sam are gonna go eat at 36 Cafe, which is this like really cute cafe that has really good Japanese souffle like pancakes. I feel like my makeup is definitely questionable today, but we're gonna just stick it through. Oh, also this is my outfit. Purse from Princess Polly. Top is actually from Shein, and then I'm wearing these jeans from Princess Polly, and I just like folded the top, and then my dunks, and yeah. Honestly, today is so freaking cloudy, so I hope I get at least decent pictures. We're just gonna go with the flow. Hi guys, so the place we were gonna eat at is closed today. We didn't realize that they close on Tuesday. So we're eating somewhere else and it's pretty cute. We're eating at, we call it Salud. Here's my date. Super cute. Fresh baguette. Fresh baguette. Hi you guys, so it is dinner time and so I'm gonna make some boiled pork with veggies. I make this all the time, but the difference is that I usually make it with romaine lettuce because I'm too lazy to go to the Asian store to get the correct veggie that this dish traditionally uses, which is this veggie here. In Hmong, it's jaunjoa. I don't speak Hmong, so when I say it, it's completely monotone. I don't have the tonal thing that Hmong people have because I don't speak it enough, but green veggies. My mom actually grew these in her garden, so I'm gonna cook them. I just picked these up earlier for my mom. But also my mom gave me a whole bunch of banana peppers, which these are so freaking good if you just fry them, put a little salt. I'm gonna be cooking these tonight too. But also I have these 2 large cucumbers. So I'm gonna be making some Khao, which is basically like scraped cucumber. You just scrape it in a bowl, add a little water, add a little ice, and add some sugar, and it is so freaking good. This is one of my favorite things to eat, and I grew up eating it, so I'm gonna show you guys that.
So the first thing I'm doing is cleaning all my veggies. The last thing you want is eating your food and tasting some kind of dirt. No, no, no. Then I'm boiling a pot of water and then I'm cutting these mustard greens into, I don't know, like 2-inch pieces. Then you want to cut some pork into nice bite-sized pieces, a little bigger than that, I guess. So now that the water in the pot is boiling, I'm just gonna throw in the pork and throw in some salt. This is actually super easy to make, which is probably why I make it all of the time. And then for the Khao, this is super easy. So just cut it in half, take out all of the seeds because you don't need them. Actually, it depends. Some people like it. Then you grab a spoon and just start scraping all the good stuff inside. You scrape it into a bowl. I like to do it over a sink so that it's not so messy. This actually is so tiring. My arm was dying. But then after you're done, you just want to throw in some sugar, throw in some water, and throw in ice if you want. And that is literally it. And then back to the other dish, just throw in the veggies, and that is it. Call it a day. So now for the banana peppers though, you do want to just fry them, so just add oil to a pan, throw on the peppers, and then you just wait until it's like all goldy and stuff, and then just put on some salt. Okay, but low-key, I was struggling so hard right here. I hate it when food and oil stuff, you know, when it just pops back at you. Anyways, go ahead and serve your food. It's gonna taste like heaven.
Alrighty guys, food is all ready and it looks so freaking good. It smells delicious. I swear when I started this video, I was not expecting it to be like a Hmong focused type of week in my life of eating. Anyways, let's eat. I'm so hungry. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna try are these peppers. My mom didn't tell me if they were spicy or not. I think there are some that are spicy and aren't, but I don't know. Not spicy. This is so good. I was debating if I was gonna make this tonight because I was like, this is low-key a lot of food for me. But you know what? I don't regret it because it is so freaking delicious. Got the cucumber. That's so refreshing. I do need pepper though. Just eating peppers with a little bit of fish sauce and salt. I'm using green peppers this time because I was too lazy to grab the red ones in the freezer, but we'll see how it tastes. These green peppers are not spicy. They're like only a little spicy, but honestly not that bad. Comment below if you guys like spicy food.